Hello student, this is the next part of chemistry in everyday life, and the first medicine is tranquilizer. Tranquilizer is actually used for reduce the mental tension and produce calmness. Tranquilizer's name already clear is that. Trans means अशांत रहना, quiet माने quiet. अशांत रहने पर यानी डिप्रेशन होने पर ये मेडिसिन उसको क्वाइट करती हैं, शांत करती हैं. Now the second point of it act on the central nervous system CNS. Next, release mental tension and reduce anxiety. They are actually psychotherapeutic drugs. And now classification of tranquilizer, I am already divided it on the basis of its way working. The first one is a narcotic. Narcotic means depression and pain. This is a codeine and heroin. Second is hypnotic. Lower doses of these do not induce sleep. This is a barbituric acid derivatives. So I am right over here, barbiturates. The third one is sedative. Sedative, they are actually used for a highly depressive patient. They are used to suppress the activity of central nervous system and for patient who are mentally agitated and violent. Clear? Highly depressive patient. And the medicine name is Valium and serotonin. And Valium common name is diazepam or Compose. The fourth one is antidepressive medicine. They are actually called mood elevators. And here I am already write that patient who are highly depressed and shattered confidence. For example, medicine is cocaine and Vitaline. After that, I am coming in the next medicine. This is an antibiotic against life. Against life means this medicine is used actually for kill the bacterial or virus infection. And here I am already write its definition. A substance which produced by chemical synthesis and used in low concentration. It inhibits the growth or destroy the microorganism by interrupting their metabolic growth. The first antibiotic is penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929 by Penicillium notatum. This is actually mold. I am already write its formula C9H11O4 SN2O N2R. And the classification like that. The first one is a bactericidal, kill bacteria. An example is penicillin and ofloxacin. Second one is a bacteriostatic. They are actually inhibit the growth of microorganism. First one kill the bacteria and the second one is inhibit the growth of microorganism means bacteria. An example is tetracycline and second example is chlorophenol. Now the next part of the antibiotic, this is a spectrum. A spectrum means the full range of the microorganism attacked by antibiotic is called its spectrum. It means spectrum is actually a working of antibiotic. And here we are already discussed about in a previous one. And now I am dividing two parts on the basis of the spectrum. First one is a narrow spectrum, certain specific disease. It means they are used for a certain specific disease. An example is streptomycin and penicillin. Second is broad spectrum antibiotic. It's used in a large number microorganisms. Tetracycline, chlorophenol, ofloxacin. Clear? Now here I am already write that the same is synthetic penicillin. This is ampicillin and amoxicillin. And actually you remember that chlorophenol is used for typhoid, pneumonia, whooping, cough, diarrhea, urinary tract infection, etc. Now you also remember that type of bacteria. First, the gram positive, they have a thick peptidoglycan outer layer, and this layer are easier to kill by antibiotic. Example streptococci. And the gram negative thin layer not easily killed by antibiotic. Example Escherichia coli. Now after that we are coming the next medicine, antimicrobials medicine. They kill the infecting pathogens, are called antimicrobials, and they are classified like that way. First, antibacterial drugs. We already know that there are two types, bacteriostatic and bactericidal. Now the next one, this is used for antimicrobials. The medicine name is sulfa drugs. They are actually derivatives of sulfamides, and they work as antibiotic. And here I am draw the figure of the first one and write its uses. The first one is use as a dusting powder for dressing of wounds. Second one is sulfadiazine. This is used for dysentery, urinary, respiratory infection. The next one is sulfaguanidine. This is used for bacillary dysentery. Now after that we are coming in sulfapyridine. This is used for pneumonia. And after that I am coming in next one. This is a anti-tubercular drugs used for cure tuberculosis, which is a chronic disease, and medicine name is streptomycin. And the second one is isoniazid, and I'm already draw its structure. This is actually called INS and PAS, para-aminosulfuric acid. After that I am coming in next medicine. This is a anti-leprotic drugs. It means used for leprosy. An example is dapsone. I am write and draw its structure. After that I am coming in a next antifungal drugs. This is used for a fungal disease. An example is miconazole and econozoles. आप लोगों ने अधिकतर देखा होगा जब बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन दांत जैसी चीजें हो जाती है उसमें मेडिसिन यूज होती है. कंटेंट पढ़ेंगे मेडिसिन में तो उसके नाम यही आपको मिलेंगे और वो सेल होती है डिफरेंट नेम से. After that I am coming, the next one is antiviral disease and used for antiviral. It means viral disease. This is first one is acyclovir and ribavirin. After that I am coming is anti-malaria drugs, treatment for malaria. Medicine name is quinine. This is extract from cinchona, and actually they are also called in the name of chloroquine and primaquine. After that coming in the next psychedelic drugs. This is hallucinogen drugs, यानी कि it means is the false feeling happiness. इसी के ही काबू में रहता है पर्सन और पेशेंट. Medicine name is bufotenin and harmin. After that coming in the next medicine, this is the anti-fertility drugs. This is used for the control the pregnancy and known as contraceptive medicine or birth control medicine. An example is the first one is the most common name is mifepristone. This is a very common medicine name. Now after that I am coming is antihistamines or anti-allergic. This is a very common medicine used in a cough, cold and etc. Most of the cough causes is allergy. And here I write that histamines in the body in response to allergens. The protein which is produced, this is called histamines. So name is this medicine is called antihistamines medicines. And they are actually divided in following parts. Mild type anti-allergic medicine is cyclizine. Moderate, this is a trimipyrazine. Then the third one is highly. This is a Benadryl. And most common, we are mostly see that this is a cetirizine and Mountair LC. This is a Mountair levocetirizine. This is a mixture of three chemicals, Mountair, levocin and cetirizine. Clear? This is the last part of chemistry in everyday life of today topic. It is also remains. It means some heading also remain. I am discuss in a next video. Thank you and thanks a lot.